Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to color a rainbow shark in a unique way. So first, we have a shark picture now. And now you can make some lines anywhere you want. And then you can start erasing some of the lines, And then you can get some color markers. Start coloring it in some of the places you want that color. And now you can get another color and start doing it everywhere. But do it light so you can see all the patterns you have done on your shark. And then get any color of your choice. Green, red, yellow, green, blue. And get any color you are okay with. It's going to be rainbow, so we need all the rainbow colors. And then you can get any color, anyone, and you can go fast or slow, but I'm going to go slow. And then it starts to turn rainbow, but you need more. You need to color in the full place. And we only need few colors, not a lot, because it's only rainbow. Rainbow doesn't have a lot of colors. Color in all of the spots in. And then it turns into a rainbow shark, but the lines don't look good, so let's erase them. And then we can add some more designs. So you can pick any crayon and start doing some lines. You can see like all the tiny details there. So you want to like out trace it on top. Like a dot. Dots around should be. You can do stripes, spots. anything. And it goes on top because crayon is more powerful. And you can subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And bye-bye.